Hi everyone, my name is Arnika. Today I am so excited because I received this in the mail. Hold on. This in the mail. This is from FabFitFun. It's their spring box. I believed I ordered it at the beginning of this month, sometime around then. I am so excited for this box. I've been following it on the subreddit. I know a lot of people on Reddit were like, ugh, I don't like this box. Like, I'm canceling my membership, blah, blah, blah. And I was just like, what? Like, you guys, like, it's awesome. Or at least I thought it was awesome. So I'm really excited. They let me customize 3 items. And yeah, I'll just open it and show you guys what I got. Should I come closer? Okay. This is a postcard that I get to give to one of my friends. I don't have any. They gave stickers. Oh my god. My nails are so ugly. Why am I doing a video like this today? There you go. So you don't have to look at my nails. But yeah, they gave me stickers. Oh my goodness. First item. Moisturizing hand scrub. Elderberry and raspberry. This looks cool. It's vegan. Let's smell it. It smells good. It smells very good. There's nothing in this. So this is a bag. This says hair scarf set. I'm excited. There's this one. This is so cute. And I love that it comes in a little bag. It would be nice if it was silk, because that's amazing for your hair. I have silk pillowcases, but honestly, I bought them from Walmart, and I feel like they're not actually silk. Like, I'm pretty sure Walmart ripped me off and gave me polyester. But how will I know? I'll never know. Ooh, okay. I found what fell out of the bubble wrap, and this is actually what I'm most excited for. This is the reason. Sorry, I'll stop shaking it. This is the reason that I purchased this. It's basil, and you're like, why are they giving me basil? Well, so I'll show you why they gave me basil. So, wow, it's a lot smaller than I thought. It looks so big in the picture. I mean, this is still awesome. Still awesome. Oh my god. They gave an outlet. This is amazing. Okay, let me figure out how. Huh? I'm so confused. Okay. It's not easy to install. What? How do I do this? I'm gonna cry. Huh? I'm gonna do this off camera, and maybe I'll take a video of it after I do it. I was being dumb. You're supposed to take this off and then get the wire through there. Yeah, sorry. I don't know. I was just overwhelmed, so sorry for my stupidity. Anyways, hold on. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it didn't work. That is so embarrassing. I really counted down and everything. Am I supposed to hold down? Oh, this is so cool. You put the dirt right here in basil seeds. And then there's an LED lamp that helps the basil grow. And then you put water up here. It's just pretty awesome. Very futuristic. I love plants so much. That's like the best gift I can get. Like, if anyone wants to buy me a gift, just give me a plant. You can just be like walking around the neighborhood. You see a nice succulent, just cut a little bit off and just bring that for me for my birthday. That's all I need. I don't know what this is. Mysterious. Watch it be like something late. Oh, I know what this is. So this was a. No. Never mind. This isn't what I thought. Oh, I got the cactus. This was another thing that I didn't want. Well, this is fun. You know, it's fun. It's not a bad item at all. But yeah, got a cactus. This next item is another item that I picked. This is a bucket hat from Alice and Olivia. Ooh, I think it's really cute. But, here's the thing. It's reversible. I've been like wanting a white bucket hat, so this is why I got it. Because I was like, it's reversible and I don't have to buy a white bucket hat. And oh my god, this thing retails for $85. That's the thing about like most of these items. They're pretty expensive if you buy them off of like whatever brand they actually are. You're getting a pretty good deal. I don't know, bucket hats look so weird on me, but I keep buying them and I never wear them. Are my eyes supposed to be covered, or do I wear it like this? I don't like how it's black under. I think I might like the black side better than the white side, because when you're wearing the black side, then it's white under, and that's more appealing. So I feel like the black under clashes with me. I think I'm wearing this wrong. I need to look up how to wear a bucket hat. Oh no, they gave me nail polish. I don't wear nail polish. I mean, I do wear nail polish. I only wear it once 1 week out of the month. Actually, I don't even do that. I wear it when there's a special occasion, because since I can only wear it for 1 week, it's just like kind of pointless. Like you put it on and then like not even a week, you put it on and then like 5 days later you have to take it off, so it's kind of pointless. But I like the shade. That's a cute shade, very spring. Okay, now we're at the last item, and this is another item that I picked. So I picked the planner, the bucket hat, and this. I'm so excited for this. And hold on. It's an ab workout ball. I love the colors. You know what? It kind of goes with the cactus. I could, go to the gym with my cactus and my cold water. I'm just kidding. I don't go to the gym. I would never work out in front of other people. Here is everything that I got. Oh my god, you know what's so funny? The box that I got in high school actually gave me this blanket. Huh. How crazy. Okay. My thoughts. I feel like, okay, you know what? I feel like because I looked at everything and saw like what other people were getting and whatnot, I feel like it kind of ruined it for me. So I kind of like when I saw the cactus, I was like, oh boy, I got the cactus. Like, or like the bag, like, because I had things in my mind and I was like, I really hope I don't get that. But like if I never knew what they were offering, then if I got the cactus, I'd be like, oh cool, they gave me a cactus. I don't know if that makes sense. Next time I want to like treat myself like this, where it's like a bit of a surprise. Maybe I won't look at what else they're offering, because back in high school when I purchased this, they didn't like show us like what else we could get, or maybe they did and I just wasn't paying attention. I know I didn't have a Reddit account back then, so that may also be why, just because like I saw a lot of the spoilers on Reddit. But you know what? These are all great items. I'm really excited for it. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Wait, did it? Yeah, please give me a thumbs up. Remember back in the day, like, I think YouTube back in the day, YouTube let you rate videos. It was like 5 stars, 3 stars. Or am I going insane? Maybe that wasn't a thing, but I feel like it was a thing. But anyways, if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see. And yeah, if you have nothing else to say, I don't know. See, I hate ending videos. I don't know how to end them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!